Welcome back to the channel. We are installing now the brake caliper on the ZX14R. We need 12mm socket, 6mm Allen key, torque wrench. Let's prep our bolt as usual. Then we are going to torque this to 25 Newton meters. Houston, we have a problem. So it's stripped. Thread is not stripped, so it's the mounting hardware. So this is the problem when bolts are not torque to spec, so they will ruin the threads. So let's see if I can find a thread, what do you call it, thread fixer or something. I think I saw one when I went to Musafa. So this will, let's put a pause on this. Toot. What to do? So let's measure the bolt and M5678 M8 1.5 1.25 pitch. Okay, let's test if the thread is correct. Yes. So the kit came with a drill bit, a threader, an installer, and a punch. So, do I have the space to use this? This is from my tap and die kit. I don't think I have the space. Nope. Nope. Let's try this. Okay. It's Through and through. So make sure to clean it well so that the Loctite will adhere. Okay, and let it dry. Use the punch. Yes, push it. Uh, the punch is not punching. So let us install the caliper. So we left it overnight. Not that you need to, but I've, I've got nothing to do. I'm not in a hurry. So we let it dry for 24 hours and then let's install it. I think it's better to install to let it dry overnight because you're using a red lactite on the inserts and on the mounting bolt you're just using blue. 25 Newton meters. Then the banjo fittings, we are using new crush washers. It is also tightened at 25 Newton meters. So this is a 12 millimeter socket. Okay, so let's put some brake fluid. You know what? Let's do it in reverse. So let's put brake fluid from the caliper until it reaches the reservoir. So let's start with the inner pistons. We are making a mess. So pump, 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 open, pump, 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 open, pump, 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 hold, open, pump. I'm doing some acrobatic stuff for you just to see it. So, brake fluid is topped up. Let's close it. And then let's go for a test ride.